Hi, I'm Eric, CEO of Charis US. If you're a project manager, site director, government agency, or EPC contractor managing multiple construction sites, then you know how chaotic it gets. Missed updates, delays, incomplete reports, constant site visits is exhausting. That's why we built Charis Analytics, the remote construction management platform designed to give you real-time visibility into all your projects without the usual stress and with fewer site visits. Many companies still rely on spreadsheets, WhatsApp photo, and weekly meetings to track progress. That leads to problems such as missed milestones, rework and delays, dispute of what was done and when it was done, missed quantities, miscommunication between project teams, and even fraud. One of our clients caught over 200,000 in false reporting after using Charis Analytics. Another one cut down 10 site visits per month. The return on investment is immediate and your bottom line will increase. We are not just documenting your sites accurately, we are giving you full control. If you are running construction projects across Africa, the Gulf, Australia, Europe, or even the US, Charis Analytics is for you. We serve MDs, project managers, directors, and construction leads who want faster insight, fewer delays, improved margins and cash flow, and also deliver quality work that will allow them to win more contracts. Charis Analytics gives you a full 360 view of every job site in one place. With few clicks, you get side-by-side comparison between two specific dates to track changes, as designed versus as built comparison, 2D measurements, precise 3D stockpile, cut and fill volume measurement, interior scans, export-ready stakeholder reports, and much more. Here is how it works. Step 1. A drone team, either yours or ours, plus smart cameras installed on your site scan the site. Step 2. Your data is processed and made available instantly through the platform. Step 3. You log in and get insight, such as immediate insight into project status, time-stamped visual documentation, automatically generated professional PDF reports that you can share with your stakeholder, and it's mobile-friendly, multi-site capable, and takes less than 30 minutes to learn. So let me give you a few real examples. During the construction of Rwanda's largest stadium, Charis Analytics was used and enabled completion ahead of schedule. A site in Abidjan got over-reported excavation and saved 60,000 USD instantly. Road construction in Rwanda uses our platform to update stakeholders weekly without site visits.
As a surveyor, our daily work is to collect the data. The data collection was doing before, was using traditional equipment, using too much time to finish the project. The reason why we tried to use the Charis Analytics so that we can save time. The area was supposed to measure within 3 or 2 months. Drone can survey just 1 day. Data collection and the output submittal can take just one day. Charis became like a bridge in between us, like surveyors, and our senior managers.
That's what smarter construction looks like. Worried about adoption? It works on mobile phone. No drone team? Ours is included during the pilot. Already using Excel? Charis Analytics integrates easily. No strong internet? We upload for you. You get the insight, we handle the complexity. With Charis Analytics, we are not building another platform. We are building confidence. Confidence in your data, your reports, and the ability to always execute your project successfully. Join us, let us build smarter.